Funding for this program is provided by Annenberg Learner.
I'm Mitchell Sabetti.
Hi, I'm Tommy Sabetti.
Hi, I'm Andy Sabetti.
And
this is Against All Odds. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about types of sampling surveys and the role bias plays into them. And in order to illustrate this, we're going to use a very common tool that students use nowadays, Schooloop.
Schooloop is an online application that allows elementary school, middle school, and high school students to view their grades online and communicate with teachers. It allows staff to upload a student's grade onto the internet for immediate viewing. Current assignments and files may also be posted on Schooloop, and a feature known as Dropbox allows students to electronically submit their work.
Although a sample survey is designed to extract true information from a population, it is often ineffective with faulty sampling methods. In our case, we wish to learn about a general opinion of Schooloop in Cupertino High School. In our first Schooloop study, we made many errors in our selection and interviewing process. Hello, Alfred. Do you find it helpful since you can check your homework whenever and wherever you have access to your phone on Schooloop?
Man, Schooloop's so awesome. I even have the app on it on my phone. I can check my assignments and my grades anytime, anywhere, and it's just a great tool to use.
Wow, Albert. Thank you for your opinion.
No problem. Schooloop rocks.
Yeah. Okay, Albert. Do you find Schooloop helpful since you can email teachers and administration about school and even life?
Man, Schooloop's so helpful. You can email teachers, and I really like that about the Schooloop app, especially since it's accessible through your phone. Man, all I just have to do is click a button, type my message, and send it. It's just that easy.
As you notice, the questions we asked in our interview were extremely biased. The way we worded the questions influenced the students' opinion towards Schooloop. We gave the students a positive impression of the system, which heavily impacted their answer. By using words such as whenever and wherever, we implied that students is able to access Schooloop anytime and anywhere, which makes it Schooloop more desirable to the student.
Another reason why our survey is flawed is because of the way we shared the survey. We posted a link of our survey to Facebook as a status and allowed anyone to post on their convenience. This is called convenience sampling and is a bad method to sample. By posting it on Facebook, only people with strong opinions will respond, and our sample will only include our Facebook friends and not the whole school. This is an example of undercoverage.
Our results from these bias questions are staggeringly one-sided. Our results are swayed heavily toward our intended answer, that Schooloop is superior to all other forms of communication. As you can see in this pie chart, out of the 48 who responded to the question regarding how useful Schooloop is, 38 responded yes.
This is one of the obstacles that come along with convenient sampling. By allowing people to anonymously respond to our questions, responses such as these tend to occur.
Here we have some examples of unbiased questions. As you'll see, the way we word these questions will not show any favors to a certain outcome. This allows our interviewees to express their true thoughts.
Go. Hey Jonathan, I have a few questions regarding Schooloop that I would like to interview on. The first question is, what is your preferred method for contacting your teacher? Would you rather contact them in person or through Schooloop?
If I'm at home, I think I would contact my teacher through Schooloop because it's just easier, and if there's something that I need to just get out to them, then I would just send them a quick Schooloop email. But if I'm at school, I would contact them in person because I think it would give off a better impression.
Okay. And the second question is, how often do you check homework on Schooloop?
On weekends, maybe I'll check once or twice a day, but on weekdays, at least 4 times a day.
Okay, thank you.
Various types of surveys exist out in the business and entertainment world, such as the official election ballot and sports surveys such as this one from ESPN. While smaller businesses intending to promote their product tend to use more biased surveys, larger research firms are generally bound to creating unbiased surveys to determine true information about a population.
Throughout this lesson, we covered in depth various topics regarding the types of surveys, common errors made in the data collecting world, and also real-world examples of both biased and unbiased surveys.
Go.
We began our statistical adventure in the Student University of Cupertino High School, where all kinds of students use School Loop as a form of communication with teachers. We interviewed them with biased and unbiased questions and also analyzed the results of various online surveys we conducted.
We then covered common mistakes such as undercoverage, which affects the quality of our data collected. Lastly, we went over real-world examples of surveys such as online polls and election ballots.
I'm Tommy Savetti.
Mitchell Savetti.
This is going to be all odds, and until next time.
I'm Party Savetti, and I approve this message.